singing the song Boba Tunnel by Anupam Roy. And before I start the song, I would like to say something about it. We all have memories and we all have desires and wishes that we'll never fulfill, and we know that. And this is yet again another song that managed to reach out just those thoughts and wishes and bring them back in your eyes, in your tears drops, in your heartbeat, in the way you get back to thinking that pure magic is all I can say. If you got not listened to it yet, so do so now, and I think you will love the song. So here we go. Thank you. ফিরে গেছে কত বোবা টানেল